is Rosie the horse. Let's feed her. Drag hay from the sheaf into the feeder. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. Done! To keep Rosie's legs from hurting, we need to shoe her. Use the hammer to hit the nails. Keep up the good work. We did it! Ready. It's time to plow our garden. Put a collar, a saddle, and a plow on Rosie. Now let's make seed beds. Lead Rosie along the garden. She will plow. Done!
3 hours later.